Hi reception, Mrs. Glover here. This is Maths Week 6 Session 1. Today, to warm up, we're going to play one more or one less. So I'm going to call out a number and you've got to find the number that's one more or one less. You can use the number line to help you. Remember, if it's one more, the number is getting bigger and you go up the number line. And if it's one less, the number is getting smaller and you go down the number line. You can use this number line to help you. Can you find one more than 8? Shout it out. Great. One more than 8 is 9. Can you find one less than 6? Great. One less than 6 is 5. Can you find one more than 10? Great. One more than 10 is 11. Well done. Can you find one less than 16? Great. One less than 16 is 15. Last one. Can you find one more than 4? Great. One more than 4 is 5. Today, our learning objective is to solve a variety of addition and subtraction problems. The add sign is when you put together amounts to find their total, and the number is always getting bigger. The subtract sign, or the takeaway sign, is when you take away an amount from a number, and the number is always getting smaller, and you're finding the difference. We use these signs in school. To warm up, we are going to listen to an addition song, and you can shout out the answers to these addition number problems.
When you add with the pirates, you will see you're getting more for you and me with the yo ho ho and the rum pum pum. When you add, you're getting a sum. When you add, you're getting a sum. Once upon a time, I had 4 sea navigating compasses. I looked in my secret spot and found 2 more compasses. How many compasses did I have all together? Let's think. 4 plus 2 equals 6. I had 6 compasses all together. Next story. One morning I had to weigh down my heavy ship with 3 heavy anchors. But it wasn't enough. I had to add 1 more anchor. How many anchors did I have in all? 3 plus 1 equals 4. I had 4 anchors in all. Moving on, one day I called for 2 wooden barrels on the upper deck of my ship. Then I realized that I actually needed an additional 3 more barrels. How many wooden barrels did I have all together? Let's see. 2 plus 3 equals 5. I had 5 barrels all together.
Now we have some addition problems to try. You could write the number sentence down into your home learning books and solve it using resources that you have at home, like Lego or buttons. Pirate Jack found all this treasure on his adventure around the islands. He found 2 diamonds on Treasure Island and 3 diamonds on Sandy Island. What's the number sentence that we have to work out today? 2 add 3 equals. You can write this number sentence into your home learning book. And now to work it out. 2, 1, 2, add 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's check using Numicon. 2, add 3 equals how many altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, let's put Numicon on top to check. 2 add 3 equals 5. So he had 5 diamonds altogether. Pirate Jack found all this treasure on his adventure around the islands. He found 4 coins on Animal Island and 4 coins on Paradise Island. How many did he have altogether? What's the number sentence that we need to work out for this number problem? Well done, it is 4 add 4 equals. Could you write that number sentence into your home learning books? And now to work it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Add another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it should be 8 altogether. 4 add 4 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you write that into your home learning books? Great, and we'll check using the Numicon. Yes, 4 add 4 is 8. Now, we are going to listen to a subtraction song. You can shout out the answers to these subtraction number problems. Remember, subtraction is the same as taking away.
Sing with me, pirates. When you subtract with a pirate, yo ho ho, you will say. When you subtract with a pirate, you always take away. When you subtract with a pirate, you're always getting less. When you subtract with a pirate, you'll find the difference. Ahoy, mateys! It's time to do some subtraction stories on our pirate ship. Once upon a time, there were 5 shipmates. I got angry and made 2 of them walk the plank. How many shipmates did I have left? Let's see. 5 minus 2 equals 3. I had 3 shipmates left. All right, it's time for a new story. One day, I had 3 pirate helpers. I got rid of 1 swashbuckling helper and made him walk the plank. How many pirate helpers did I have left? Let's see. 3 minus 1 equals 2. I had 2 helpers left. One more story. Once upon a time, my ship had 5 pirate parrots. 4 of them irritated me with their squawking, and I made them fly the plank. How many parrots did I have left? Let's think. 5 minus 4 equals 1. I had 1 parrot left.
Now we have some subtraction problems to try. You could write the number sentence down and solve it using resources that you have at home. So Captain Hook had 7 necklaces and someone has taken 5 away. Can you help him work out how many he has left? What's the number sentence for this number problem? 7 take away 5 equals. And how many does he have left? 2. Let's check using Numicon. 7, take away 5, so I've covered 5, and how many are left? 2. 1, 2. Great, well done. Captain Hook had 10 gold coins, and someone has taken 6 away. Can you work out how many he has left? What's the number sentence that we need to work out for this number problem? 10 take away 6 equals. How many are left? 4. Well done. Let's check using Numicon. 10 take away 6 equals 4. There are 4 gold coins left. Here are some examples of things you could use at home to solve add and subtract problems. You could use Lego, counters, buttons, or Play-Doh. You could also even use finger painting to solve your addition and your subtraction problems, like this. Six, add 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. That was the addition problem, and then this is the subtraction problem. 8 take away 5 equals. So I've got 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to take away 5, and you can cross them out so that you're taking away if you need to. How many are left? 3. Great. This is the accompanying handout for this session. You could always get your grown-up to pick a copy up from the school office, or you can just get your grown-up to draw these chests into your home learning book and work them out. You have to make sure you look at whether they are addition or subtraction problems, looking at the sign. 4 add 5 equals, and then you can draw in the chests to answer. I've drawn in 4 add 5, and it equals 9. To challenge yourself, you could even write the answer. For the subtraction one, you've got 8 take away 4 equals. So I crossed out 4 because we're taking away 4, and then drew in how many were left. 8 take 4 equals 4. After this video, if you would like to, you can also complete this complementary maths activity. See you for the next session. Bye!